Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the signal light on a Ford C-Max. So, to do this you come inside the trunk and remove this flap. And in here, more or less, not sure if you can see, we have that white thingy right there. Let me try and give you a bit of light. So this we need to undo. Not really easy. Maybe I need a screwdriver or something. It seems it's quite tight. We need to unscrew it. So we have access to pull. Actually, there are two of them. As far as, or even three? No, only two of them. So it allows us to pull the whole light assembly out of here. No, there's no need for a screwdriver. It was just stuck, so I insisted, and now it's coming out. So fully undo that. Both of them actually. I will also undo the other one. Kind of hard to show you, but I will also undo the other one. So be back when I'm finished with those. At this point you want to get this out. It's kind of stuck in there, so try to wiggle it. Okay, so I managed to get it out, but I'm going to try and show you how to do it. Honestly, it kind of needs to come straight out, but it won't. So what I did was put both hands in here like this and yank it really hard to the side. Try to be careful, try to still push to the side, but still as straight as possible. It does have some clips, as you can see. Partially unclipped it right there in the middle. You push on that, and when you push on it, it will allow you to pull this out fully. And now you have clips all around. Quite hard to do with one hand because they try to get back in place, but you need to undo the clips all around. I think they are released now, and this plastic should pop out of there like it did. And this is the light that we need to replace, so let's yank it out of there. And once you are here, push down on the bulb and rotate on it counterclockwise, and it's out. And the type of bulb, it's PY21W. And now to put another bulb back, you just see how these things are. As you can see, not perfectly straight one against or in line with the other. These also are not straight, so they will fit in here, and then rotate it just a tiny bit and it's locked. So this is about how much it only rotates, but now it's locked and we can put everything back together. To put it back together, these things are the centerings. They will go in here and in there. Make sure those are somewhat aligned. Stuff should start to go in, and when you push it, clips will lock by themselves. If they won't, try to help them just a tiny bit while pushing in that area. Take them in place. Plastic, yeah, in time bends, but yeah, they are locked, all of them. They will not lock more, although it looks like they are just on the edge. It seems this is Ford design. Even if I push them, they will just come back. So now we can put this light back on the car. To put this on, just clip the white connector into the header. I'm expecting it to make sort of a satisfying click. If it doesn't want to go in, maybe again push on this to give it just a better chance of going in, and it locked. So you just push it in there. Now try to align everything in here. You can see there screw holes, they need to kind of be aligned. In theory, align everything as well as you can and start pushing on it. We have a clip at least here. That one went in, so that's good. Now we also have one in here somewhere, but if we push, so that one jumped out. Yeah, you kind of need to push straight. So now I think this one is already in, or yeah, not a good idea to smack it with something, but this clip is extremely stubborn, and also don't push too hard on this, you can break it. So yeah, try to make sure that is where it needs to be. Extremely hard. So I'm probably, or that's all it can do, and now only screws will pull it back more, because it seems locked in here. It doesn't allow me to get it out. It's locked, but it's just not pulled back. So maybe this is the only thing that the clip does, and now we just need to tighten the screws. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Now put these plastics back on the screws. Where are they? Right there we have one. Try not to drop the plastics in here because you will have a bad day. They are tight now. So at this point, just put this back in place. And it's back in place, and we are done here. And that's about it for this video, working perfectly. So hope it helps you, in which case give it a like, subscribe for future similar videos, and see you in the next one. Bye.